Let's take a look at the Intel's Pentium 38505U. It's essentially a Broadwell U series processor that is launching in January 2015. And we have the information from a leaked site in VR Zone which lists this processor as Pentium 3805, showing it as a dual core 2 threads 1.9 GHz processor. Comes with Intel HD graphics. So let's take a quick look at this processor. Broadwell is basically a process improvement from Haswell, and it's a successor to the Haswell. Mostly it's improvement in the process technology that brings with itself the power improvement, and it allows Intel to bring in more execution units in the graphics. The processor side is not substantially changed, but we do have some slight reduction in the power consumption, and we also have slight improvement in performance that's brought about using by improved branch prediction and a bigger buffer size. We also have some new instruction sets for cryptography that software can take advantage of. Talking specifically about 3805U, it's a dual core. There's no support for hyper threads. For support to the hyper thread, you will have to go through to core i3 and so on. The Pentium 3805U, it's clocked at 1.9 GHz, and if you are looking at the similar processors which are lower in performance, we have Celeron 3205U and 3755U at 1.5 GHz and 1.7 GHz. So 1.9 GHz makes it not so slow. It's substantial. It's good enough for your smooth and a quick boot up, and also for internet browsing, web surfing, and also if you have to run some software, it's able to do substantially faster, and Intel is able to do all these things while keeping its TDP rating at low at 15 watts. As we said earlier, compared to Haswell, we see a 5% performance improvement. That's expected. We don't have the numbers right now from benchmark, but that's what we are expecting to be. 5% will also be a slight at the higher end. We are looking for more like 3 or 4%. Graphics is a new story. Intel has substantially improved its performance. We have support for DirectX 11.2, and that's where Intel is catching up with AMD in terms of integrated graphics performance. We have native support for DisplayPort. The HD graphics, that's what it's called in Intel Pentium 3805U. HD graphics is also called in its Haswell counterpart in its Pentium and Celeron processor. We now have, instead of 10 execution units, we have 12 execution units, and that itself brings about 20% performance improvement, and each execution unit is expected to be 10% better at least. So we should see a 30 to 40% performance improvement, and that is a lot, given the fact that we still are able to fit in everything in 15 watts power envelopes. As we said, we do not have the numbers for the graphics or the CPU for now, but we expect that you should still be able to play some of the games in low settings with this processor. You should follow up the description section if we have some more information about it. Thanks for taking a look.